Welcome back to the channel, gang. Today we having a track vlog, me and the gang, and we turned up having us a little exercise, me and mama, and the kids are riding their hoverboards, and we enjoying this little view. Got the lake over there, got the little bridge. We're gonna walk on all of it. Definitely getting lit. Okay. Yes, sir. It's really lit, and it's really fishing now, y'all. No cap. We can't fish, but it's fishing now. You're not supposed to mess with them, but people mess with them, you know. People hard here, you know. Yes, sir, Ski. Everybody getting them some exercise in. And it's a little
and it ain't even that hot out here, y'all. Get over here. Stay out the grass. Stay on the sidewalk. Y'all stay close.
They cheating on these hoverboards. They not getting no exercise. And these hoverboards gonna get put up the next lap.
Your legs got
What's up, little Mike? You should have learned how to ride the hoverboard. You could be doing this. It's not hard, buddy. Yeah, he still got it, but he's scared to ride it. I didn't get you yet. What? Again?
Why you always do that, Maya?
Why every time in videos she do that?
Yes, and why every time you never look at the camera when I put it on you, dude? You slow poke. No, straight. Straight, straight. Malia, I said straight.
She's about this way. She plays too much, Mike. She knows what she's doing.
I'm telling you, you're gonna have somebody crying in this vlog right here.
Get my baby alone. Okay. Ooh, I'm already feeling the burn. When I get to swinging that on, you know what that means. Come on,
just slinging that on. Oh yeah, we're doing 2 laps. Yes, sir, we're doing 2 laps. Yeah. Look, Mike, slow down. You're gonna tire yourself out, bro.
He don't want to get on the stroller in a minute. Just let him get tired. He don't get up here on the stroller.
Lil Mike, Lil Mike, come here, bro. Pick the backpack up, bro. It's holding you back. Come on, Batman. Come on, bad guy. You gotta catch up. You were just running, catching up with them. How you can't catch up with the stroller? Slow down.
Wait, come on, stay on one side. Come on, right hand side, y'all. Come on. Get in line, right side. Right
Mama said get it on the right side. Do y'all know right from left? Lily, stop playing with me. I'm gonna take the hoverboard back home. Do you know right from left?
Look at Belinda. Come on.
This clearly the right side.
Stay on the sidewalk, dude.
We fussing at our kids.
Look how they walk through their line.
I swear.
That's how you gotta get them. Hurry up if I'm
Come on, let's hurry up, man. I'm trying to beat those peoples over there.
Shoot. He want to beat him, then he gonna have to push.
We'll have to get those dubs.
Mama.
I'm gonna walk down there and get some
packing. The ponytail just swinging like it's not real hair. Look at them little ducks over there, or whatever they are, swines.
Got that baby too close to that ear.
That baby too close. What that baby? Oh, that baby with that boy with that baby. Okay. Micah trying to keep up, y'all. He is gonna keep running. We're walking for under 5 minutes, and I'm my whatever you call them, babe. What you call those? In the back? No, in the back.
Yeah.
Yes, they are screaming already, and we under 5 minutes. We took about 100 steps, though. I'm not gonna lie. At 150. Walk, 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 walk. It's good. We enjoying this stuff. It ain't that hot. Family day. Sun in our face. Cool little vibe with my husband. And the kids. They want to walk in. Ooh, look at it. Let's see if we can get him.
Let me see. Let me go get him.
But I can see him move.
You can see him. I'm gonna let him.
Yeah, I see that boy got that fish. There might be a dinosaur, buddy. Don't it?
Yeah, it looks like one.
Oh yeah, he got his head up out the water. This is our view, guys. Look at that sun glistening off that water.
That boy really took off with a big feeling. That's what he's doing.
Trying to strangle him to death. Look at the girls. We can't even keep up with the girls, y'all. Look at Maya. Put her sunblocker up. Babe, what you got to say to the vlog?
I got to say is, this light work. We're doing about 4 of these supposedly. My mom was gonna do 1.
We could do 4.
We ain't gonna cut that. That right there.
Walk on the sidewalk, buddy. He see people and start going on the other side. He see so scary. Hey! Daddy got his whole fit on. The Mike got his Batman fit on. Mama got a light drip on with the Crocs. The girls got a light drip on with their Crocs. Maya got her light drip on with her Crocs. And yep, we out here. We outside, but they say we scared to come outside, but we outside every day. We making vlogs, we doing things. Ooh, look at that.
Oh,
Daddy almost had it wrecked. Okay, pop them. When you get a mosquito on you, pop it. Go. Stay to one side, guys. Babe, don't run on me. Puppy, y'all. Big old puppy. He's tired. Good puppy. Yeah, y'all. We out here walking this big old track. Long way to go. You want to get up there with Maya? Want to get up there? Michael, let him up there. Let him up there, but he's tired.
You gotta catch up with it. If you don't catch up to the front, you ain't gonna get up there, buddy. But,
hey!
oh my God.
So y'all look. This is where we at, y'all. This is what we doing. This is grass area. Ooh.
Take no breaks.
I'm not, babe.
We can't go in the grass.
Oh, you didn't catch up with it. I'm trying to keep this separation.
He trying to keep the 6 feet distance.
Not the 6 feet distance, the separation in between the families. You keep stopping.
Okay, babe, you on
lazy.
candy
No,
camera.
No. Come on, lazy mama.
Y'all see this sun glistening off my face? And this stomach that I'm packing. And these pigeon-toed feet. I ain't gonna show y'all the back. I ain't even gonna play like that. But yes, guys. Y'all see what's going on. The kids enjoying their hoverboards, but they haven't rode since December. Daddy, kids,
They wrote them
mama.
way after December. Stop.
They haven't wrote their stuff since Christmas. Guys!
They rock them hoverboards every day on the balcony.
Only
Stop
Malia.
playing.
Look at that little waterfall we got, y'all. Right in, that's the area we started at, y'all. We started all the way over there. We went all the way around there. And now we're here. And I'm kind of out of breath, but I'm just happy that it's not that hot out here. If I'm breathing out, disregard that, but look at this. Look at this, girl. You can even come up here and put like tables and a picnic and something right here. Yep. He always give up. Daddy
Dude,
never give
I'm
up.
gonna need you to stop around, Bob. Press every red button 6 times.
downside. It's a downside. Whew.
Well, the microphone let you go. That's not far, dude.
Look at the girls already made it to the bridge, y'all. Malia scared. Malia, go. Why you scared? You can't ride it on there. Go, Malia. Let's see if you can ride it on there. Go. You scared. Come on, scary cat.
Wait.
What the freak is that?
There's cracks in the ground. You better not drop it. Come on, Malia.
Look at that sun glistening off that water.
Wait for me now.
If y'all see the mysterious Bigfoot in there, let me know. This was just a quick walk, guys. We headed back to the car now. Finna get ready to go to the store. Probably do us a mukbang. Just need to get out and do a little cardio. Probably 5-10 minutes. And something is better than nothing, guys. So yes, we headed back in. The family. Maya is amazed by the water, guys. Look at her reaction. You see it, Maya? Oh my God, my baby love the water.
Yeah,
Let's see her face.
Maya,
Last time she was
you like that?
Hurry up, put it down, Malia. Hurry up. Woo, my baby had to stretch across that bridge, y'all. Then let my baby walk, ride through the bridge. Got little bugs. Yes, guys, so we headed back in, guys. We record the whole thing.